Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to boost your YouTube channel. I'm now inside my YouTube studio, and if you don't know how to arrive at this page, just type studio.youtube.com. After arriving at this page, to boost your channel, simply go to the content page, then go to the promotions tab. From this page, you can start boosting your channel. In my case, I have experience with two promotions. This is the first one, and this is the latest one. For the goal of the first promotions, it was audience growth, and for the second, I was searching for video views. Before I share with you details about each campaign and what I have got after boosting these two videos, let's see how to start a video promotion or boosting a YouTube video. Click on this new promotion button. First, you select your main goal. You can select between audience growth, which means you get subscriptions and views of additional videos on your channel. You can also select video views, which means you get more views on the video you are promoting, or selecting website visits, which means you want to get visitors from YouTube to your website. I have experience with audience growth and video views. Let's say you are looking for subscribers, select audience growth and hit this next button. From this step, you need to add the video that you want to promote. Click on this add button. This is my latest videos, and you can use this search feature to select to search for one of your videos. Let's search for my old videos. Let's promote this video, for example. To edit the headline and the description of your ads, you can edit it from here. This is your headline, and this is a preview of your ads. This is your video thumbnail, the headline, the description, and the subscribe button. Let's change the goal and see the second preview. It stays the same. In the case of a video views campaign or goal, this video will play as an in-stream skippable ad and will also be placed among other videos on the YouTube home feed and search result. If you go with audience growth, this will change. This video will be placed among other videos on the YouTube app home feed, YouTube search results, and YouTube watch next. So this is the difference between different goals. Now let's see the targeting page. Who will see your promotions? Here YouTube automatically select you the top countries for your channel, and this is correct. India, US, and Pakistan are the top 3 countries visiting my channel. This is why I recommend you to first get some organic traffic, so YouTube have an idea of who is the best fit for your channel boost. Now click on advanced targeting. Here you can select the language that you want to go with. In my case, I only do English videos, so I will select English just like that to make sure that my video is only displayed to English speaking people. Now click on this next button, and here you will select how much do you want to spend for this channel boost. Let's say that you have a total budget of $30. Just fill it here, and here select how many days you want to ads keep running. Today is 21st September. I don't know why they are not allowing me to start in it today, but let's say that this ads starts on 24 of this month. 1 2 3 4 5 6 days. If I select 29 of September, this $30 will be divided by 6 days. So YouTube will highly spend $5 per day. Here you get a preview of how many promotion views for your total budget. In my case, I will get between 2,600 and 9,100 promotion views. Promotion views are not the YouTube views. A promotion view is counted every time someone clicks to watch your promotion. And this is the difference. Now, if I click on this promote block button, my ads request will be placed, reviewed. Then if it is accepted, it will start running and getting me promotion views. In your case, this slightly may be different because you don't have your credit card added. So YouTube for sure will ask you to add your credit card to get paid. It will also easily create you a Google Ads account to link it with YouTube. Now let's see the results of my experience of boosting these two videos. The first time I've used the boosting or the promotion tool on YouTube, it was with this video. I've spent $30. I got more than 300,000 promotion impressions and more than or exactly 5,317 promotion views. This is the exact numbers of how many clicks I've got to my video. And with this audience growth promotion, I got more than 700 subscribers, and this is true. If I go to this video analytics, as you can see, on the first day of publishing this video, I've run this ads or this promotion, and my views on this video skyrockets directly to more than 4,000 in just 2 days. As you can see, the majority of or almost the total of these views all came from this promotion, and so this watch time is the result of this promotion. I've got 18 hours of watch time, and I also get 33 subscribers. I think this is the organic subscribers, and this is the promotion subscribers. Let's divide this total budget by 18 hours to see how many watch hour you can get for, or you can pay for. Let's divide $30 by 18 hours. This means that for every 1 hour of watch time, I've paid $1.06. Now let's see the second promotion. This one, it was with the goal of video views and not audience growth. I've paid $5 for the promotion views. I got almost 7,000 promotion impression, and for the promotion views I got around 400 views. This means that if I want to get 1,000 promotion views, usually I will pay between 11 to $12. So this is the cost for every $12. I will get 1,000 promotion views. I think this is not cheap. Now let's see the analytics of this. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free, and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now let's see the analytics of this video. As you can see at the end, this video got 1,000 views. This means 400 promotion views and around 600 organic views. Same thing with this watch time. I think I got 8 hours. Yes, 8 hours for this $5 and 12 hours organic. The goal of this campaign or of this boost was to, because this was a trending video that have a live unexpected live of 3 days, because Chipotle started a context or an offer, and this offer was only for 3 days. So and the idea of this video, I got it from the Google Trends. I've created this video, and to help this video have lots of organic, I thought of running a boost to help this video got the best views in the first 24 hours to be seen more organically. I forgot to share with you the engagement of the boosts on your videos. What I don't like about promotions is that, let's see the engagement. As you can see, this is below typical retention, because the majority of paid viewers only watch for 14 seconds. This is not good, and this is why I don't run paid ads lots of the time, because the retention from the paid or the promotion views is too much low. And this is how to boost your YouTube channel. If you have a question, don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.